Couldn't find a taxi anywhere, so we ended up hitching a ride.
There we go. So we've missed the bus back, and we have to get back for our passports tomorrow. We then came up with the idea, we saw lots of cabs driving around, so we asked them, and apparently for 120,000 Santiago pesos. The only problem with that was
nobody would actually drive us. And this old guy pipes up and says, "Cuánto cuesta? How much? How much?" So he wrote down on a piece of paper, 100,000 pesos. And he lights up, "Oh, sí, Santiago, yeah." He's got this car across the street. He's not a taxi driver. He's just some dude who hangs out at taxi stands.
And this beautiful, beautiful, I presume 1986 Subaru Outback.
Initially, I had really high hopes. This guy was Mario Andretti. He was ripping.
I think we're gonna do it in less than 3 hours. The 60 zone, we're doing like 110.
You could have bought the car for 200.
The car slowed almost to a crawl. We were barely making her. Oil's burning, clutch is smoking. It was looking pretty dicey. Topped out on that hill, and the downhill was great. The guy was screaming again, 120, full on. He was motivated.
I am
sweet home.
my ass hurts.
Tomorrow, we are going to get to the embassy, get the passports picked up, stamped, and we should be on our way. We're gonna head up to San Pedro. Bus ride time.